bag. So today I'm going to unbox or unwrap this. This one is the 2009 Honda Civic Precut tinted windows. So hopefully this is cut precisely so I could tint it myself. Anyway, I already purchased the squeezies and then some other tools here. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the instruction. A heat gun turned to the highest heat setting. A professional window tint application kit or a hard car razor squeezy. Lint-free cloth and slip solution. So yeah, I'm gonna install this in the garage so the dust or the lint won't be flying around. And you need to spray the salt and water pretty heavily so the lint won't be flying around. Whoa. So they got the small windows in the front. Wow, look at that. So the big piece is the rear window, has a brake light pre-cut already. Got the, what is this? Either the driver's side or the passenger side. Make sure I don't wrinkle it. And then this opposite side. And then we got the rear windows for the passengers, left and right. Alright, I think that's it for now. I don't want to wrinkle this and then mess it up. I believe that small piece of the windows for the back. Yeah, it's right here. Okay. I'm gonna put this back now. I don't wanna. Wow, stop peeling off already. Yeah, let me put it back before this thing get wrinkled up, and we're gonna have trouble. Anyway, I got this for $29.99 plus tax, about 32 something, which is less than $33 out the door, and pre-cut by a computer. And I bought this kit. The place was about $9 something with tax and everything. So yeah, hopefully this will be better than paying professional to do it. I think they charge about $250 to $350 now because of the COVID-19 and stuff like that, and inflation. Because normally the place that I went to is about $140 or $160, and then I guess it's shut down or went out of business. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.